Alright, so I was on Instructables just looking for a knex revolver, and I found one that was made by ExtremeBuilder. It looked really cool, so I made it. But the revolver part, I don't see how it keeps turning and turning every time you shoot it. And I got frustrated because it didn't work. So I took that whole part off the gun and turned it into this. It'll shoot anything, any rod, really. I prefer the blue ones, my favorite. That shot the screen. It's got a pretty good range. I like it. I'll shoot it this way. See if you guys can see. Crap. Okay. This way. As you can see, pretty good. And the gun, it looked pretty awesome. And the trigger, see how trigger works. Pretty cool. I like that. And also got my babies right here. These are the ones that I made. I didn't get them off Instructables or anything. It's just popped up into my head and made it. But just doing a review about ExtremeBuilder's gun. It's not very good. It might be something they're done, and I just broke a freaking rubber band. God, rubber bands suck. Good for making guns though. It's like the only thing. Damn rubber band. But this gun ain't good. See, I need that other rubber band. Stupid freaking rubber band. But don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.